The Snow and Swamp Vehicle Kit DMO6, with a 4x2 wheel formula, is designed for fishermen and hunters, as well as for those who love outdoor activities. The body of the all-terrain vehicle is made of high-quality, shock-resistant and frost-resistant fiberglass. The steel-articulated frame is made from lightweight, thin-walled tubes to evenly distribute the load on all four wheels. In the front, passenger part of the all-terrain vehicle are all the main controls. The internal combustion engine, together with the transfer case, is installed in the rear of the body. Positive buoyancy is achieved not only due to the air in the ultra-low pressure tires and the sealed plastic body, but also due to additional rigid floats fixed to the bottom of the body. Instead of low-pressure tires, the design of the all-terrain vehicle provides for the installation of automobile wheels with standard discs. The compact all-terrain vehicle is equipped with a tow bar with a ball for a trailer weighing no more than 600 kilograms. A Pneumatic all-terrain vehicle in any design is capable of towing a two-wheeled trailer on low-pressure tires or on automobile wheels.